over an important message from state officials. At 4:17 a.m. Central Standard Time, an anomaly was detected affecting the area previously designated as Bridger County. At this time, Bridger County is no longer recognized as an active jurisdiction within the state. All travel to and from the affected area is suspended until further notice. Residents currently within the boundaries of the former Bridger County are advised to remain indoors and await further instruction. Do not attempt to contact individuals located in Bridger County. Communication systems in the region are currently unstable. Please do not engage with individuals claiming to be from Bridger County. Report any sightings or transmissions to your local emergency management office. This is not a test. We repeat, Bridger County no longer exists. Further information will be provided as it becomes available.